This is my humidifier installed, and I've had it now for about 10 days. I'm not really well, and it's helping me with sandy eyes, and it's really good. It's got a 3.8 litre, so you don't have to refill it that much. I put it on a lower setting in the morning when I get up. I put it on a lower setting, but obviously at night I need it on a higher setting, and it's fantastic. The little tray for the essential oils is really good, and I got some essential oils, the 6 major ones, and it just really gives a good aroma, and so far so good, really happy with it.
Funciona bien, pero todo lo que tenga alrededor lo encharca. Todo está húmedo, bastante encharcado.